everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm here to share with you some chip bags that I created using my Silhouette program. I am super excited the way they came out. I think they're so cute and they are for Valentine's, and so they are Valentine themed, and I'm using the same color combination that I used for the cards and for the embellishments that I made. So here are the supplies that I use. I don't have a tutorial, but I will link a tutorial in the description box. The lady that I followed, and she has now this type of crafty community. Oh my gosh, they are amazing, you guys. She even has a Facebook page, and her tutorials are super easy to follow. She has a template to make the chip bags, and that's the template that I used. Okay, so I do have a crimper that I've had for years, and I think I've only used it once or twice. And when I made my very first chip bag, I'll show you right now in a minute, it did not work. The crimper, I guess it was too much paper, but anyways, I noticed that these ladies use this one right here. This is the Marvy paper crimper, and this is and the straight edge, because they also have wavy. They also have another one called like gator or something like that, but this is the straight to make it look like an actual chip bag. You can see it right there. See how it's crimped from the top and bottom. And this, oh my gosh, this is literally probably the best crimper, and it's like really heavy duty. And here is the paper that I use. This is the Koala paper. Both of these items, I got them from Amazon, and I did use the 36 pound. I also have, I think, the 50 pound, and it is a little bit more stiff. I think because I am kind of like a beginner, this is probably easier for me to use the 36 pound, or you can also use the one from Dollar Tree. They also have glossy paper, glossy photo paper. Okay, so, and also you guys, I don't know what's going on with the grocery stores. I had a hard time finding these chips, the 1 ounce, because you don't want them to be super big. Like this one right here is a little too big. I don't know if it's because it's my first time making them. I feel like I didn't do that good of a job, and they make it look so easy, but I still think they came out cute. I mean, even, you can see here, even these bags, they're not, well, they are somewhat perfect, but you know, it's a lot of wrinkles and all that, and mine has a lot of wrinkles. And I added the nutrition facts, and I think I added a barcode on all of them. Yeah, I did. I'm going to share with you the very first chip bag I made was this one right here. This is all digital paper, you guys. This is one of the Ruby girls from Polkadoodles. I'll link it down below. And then the rest of the paper, it is from an Etsy seller called Fantasia, I think. And they have gorgeous paper. And this was the originally, because remember how I had mentioned my color combination was like red, pinks, and like turquoise. Here is I think this one is called like Together Forever. This was originally the very first project that I was going to work on, but it's not something that I really wanted, because I wanted something more pastels. And you can see this has like almost like a maroon color and more like of a darker blue, and I didn't want blue. I wanted actual like turquoise or mint green. But don't get me wrong, this paper is beautiful. I love it. And this die, I believe, is from KS Craft. It's designed by Nicole Silhouette. Yeah, this is all I've done so far. I haven't done anything else with that. But this is the same paper collection, you guys. It's just printed on glossy paper. And this is on all my bags, you're gonna see that the top and the bottom has like glitter. Obviously it's digital glitter, and that's what this looks like. So this one I just wrote Crafty Love, and this is all clip art from the same paper collection. And this is a barcode that I just got from you know, you just Google barcodes and that's pretty much it. And then I did Google crafty, I think, or paper crafting or craft, oh no, crafter nutrition facts. And this is what one of them came up as. So I saved this and you can go ahead and read that. So this was my very first chip bag, you guys. Then when I bought the other papers, here is what I came up with, and look how cute. Now a lot of these images are from Creative Fabrica, I think it is. I'll link it down below so you can check it out. So all of, yeah, I think all of the clip art that you're gonna see here is from that website. And you know that the paper that I've been using has gnomes and obviously hearts because it's for Valentine's, and it has also rainbows. And I absolutely love the way this came out. This is a font that I got from the Fonts, I think it's called. And this one's called Bouncy, and I absolutely love that style. I think it's so cute and so fun to work with. And all the backs are the same. Oh, this time I used the Love Nutrition Facts, and that's what the back looks like. Now, like I mentioned, these ladies make these are normally for parties, and I think this is so cute to gift to a crafty friend, to include, you know, a little snack while they craft. And oh my gosh, okay, look at this one, you guys. This is so adorable. Those gnomes are so cute. And the tutorial that I followed from Andrina, I believe her name is. I thought it was Adriana. I don't know why. But she's Andrina's Crafts. I don't know. Something like that on YouTube. Like I said, I'm going to link the tutorial. Super easy to follow. And look at the gnomes. So cute. I absolutely love how this came out. And I love this color combination. And then here is a, I was able to find a clipper of this really pretty rainbow. Now this bag looks way more puffier than the other ones because that's using a bigger bag. You can see the difference between this bag and then these bags. There's a huge difference, even though it's only, this is less than an ounce and this is also an ounce, and this is 1 ounce. But because of the type of chip, these are way puffier. So your bags are going to come out different depending on the type of bags that you use. Or the type of chip, I guess. So that's what this one looks like. Really pretty, you guys. And look at the back. This is another clip art I clicked on. I think I was searching for kawaii cookies or something like that. And I just love the way that looks. And then last but not least, I found this one, this cup. I thought it was so cute. This is one clip art, this is another clip art, and this is another clip art from the same website. I wanted something that was more like on the turquoise side with a little bit of pink in it. All you need is coffee. And the back, and how cute are these chip bags, you guys? I'm so excited. I think they are just so adorable. And if you make some, let me know. I don't plan on making a tutorial on this, you guys, because the lady does an amazing job at explaining everything. And if I'm not computer savvy at all, you guys, I've learned how to work these programs by watching YouTube videos. I follow along with them, and that is how I learn. And you don't need to have a Silhouette machine in order to use the Silhouette program. The Silhouette program is free for anyone. And I only use the basic, which is the one that's free for anyone. I don't use the business one. I think you pay, it's like a one-time fee. It's about 75 bucks, which I don't know. I'm kind of thinking about getting it. But anyways, not right now. Maybe once I'm more advanced. But this is how I learned how to make all these things, just by watching YouTube videos. And I've been learning a lot from this lady. I don't know why I always want to say Adriana. I think it's Andrina. And she makes the most beautiful, you guys, which is gonna be hopefully soon the most beautiful, like they're not wands, but they're like cake toppers, but they are shakers, and it has so many layers, and I want to make that next. But anyways, enough of that. So I just want to share this with you really quickly before I send this out, because this needs to be sent out ASAP. This is going out to a couple of crafty friends. And if you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Other than that, hope you all are having an amazing day. Bye, everyone.